You may have said that you're going to get your credit right in 2023, and right now, here's your opportunity with the free consultation. You can text 702-530-9799, and we will give you an absolute free consultation to tell you exactly what needs to be done to get your credit to an A1 position. So one day, you can have that 800 credit score. And as you can see on the screen, here are all the deletions that we have deleted off of someone's credit. This is real credit repair, guys. Not like these other so-called credit repair companies out there that promise you the world. What the hell? I'm going to say their name, Lexington Law. Unlike that right there. So guys, if you're serious about cleaning up your credit in 2023, you should take advantage of this free consultation by texting 702-530-9799. That's going to do it for this video, so please like and share, and I will catch you in the next video.